This year, Google has done something truly amazing to celebrate one of the world's largest spiritual gatherings, the Maha Kumbh Mela 2025 in Prayagraj. Have you ever wondered how technology meets tradition in the digital age? When you search for terms like Kumbh Mela, Maha Kumbh Mela, or Maha Kumbh on Google, you will witness a beautiful virtual shower of rose petals cascading down your screen, a heartfelt way to bring the festive spirit to millions of people across the globe. This feature not only adds a festive touch to your search experience but also allows you to share it with friends and family via email, WhatsApp, and social media platforms. So, even if you can't be at Prayagraj in person, you can still feel a part of this divine celebration, the gift of great Google for millions of its family. For those of you who don't know, the Maha Kumbh Mela began on January 30th, 2025 and will continue until February 26th, ending on the auspicious day of Maha Shivaratri. Millions of devotees gather at the confluence of the sacred rivers Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati to take a holy dip in and seek spiritual purification. To manage this enormous gathering, the Uttar Pradesh government has implemented cutting-edge technology, including enhanced telecom infrastructure and an AI-powered lost and found system. This ensures seamless communication and helps families stay connected during this grand event. Google's innovative tribute is a perfect example of how technology can connect us with cultural and spiritual traditions no matter where we are. So why wait? Go ahead and search for Kumbh Mela 2025 on Google and experience the magic of this virtual celebration. And don't forget to share this feature with your loved ones. Thank you for watching, and if you loved this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more updates on inspiring stories and cultural events. Until next time, stay connected and stay inspired.